Good morning. Happy Monday. I'm hoping that you guys had a really nice restful weekend. So here is what is going to happen for Monday's assignment. If you notice on the stream, the Bitmoji classroom is updated, and I scroll down to here, which is my updated classroom. And obviously you're watching this Monday video, okay? But if you look at the assignment where it says Monday assignment, there's no link, which means that you actually have to go to the CK12 link on Classroom. So you're going to look in your classroom, and it hasn't posted yet, but you'll see it in mine. It says Weather versus Climate, Monday assignment. That way you know that it's today's. Okay? So you're going to click in there. Okay? And there's directions. It says view the slides presentation. So you're going to click here and look at your slides. Okay? It's about Trump. I think you guys will enjoy that. And then you're going to click onto the CK12 link. Make sure that you are logging in with your Google account, your STEM Google account. You're gonna hit enter. Mine is a little bit different because I have the teacher edition. And you're going to read the weather versus climate, okay? Again, your highlighter, and then you can add little notes. This is a really short lesson, which is nice. And then if you look at the bottom of your screen on the right, I think that my webcam might be covering it, but there's a little icon with a little guy's head. It says practice. You're going to do the practice. You're going to hit 10 questions correct, and then we're done. Make sure that you submit. Okay, so that's all that you are in charge of today, reading and answering the questions. All right, don't forget my office hours are around 12 to 1 today, but you are absolutely welcome to text me. Just make sure that I answer you before you log into the office hours. All right, you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you on Wednesday.